Hello, I'm Tony Ling. I'm a venture partner with SparkLabs Taipei. You know, in the tech industry today, you hear a lot of terms said over and over again: AI, IoT, big data. And while these technologies offer enterprises a huge opportunity to transform the way that they interact with their customers, transform the product and services that they provide for their customers, it creates problems also. And specifically, enterprises have to figure out how to manage this massive increase of information in ways that make the data usable, analyzable, and most importantly, secure. It's for this reason that we at SparkLabs are very excited to be partnered with Auriga Security, a company that has developed proprietary technology to help enterprises solve this problem. I'm not smart enough to explain the technology. I'll let the founder do that. But I can tell you from a business perspective, it's working. And that is evidenced by the significant customer traction that they've developed to date, the revenue traction they have, which is very impressive. So without further ado, I give you the founder of Auriga Security, Henry Hu. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Henry. I'm the founder and CEO of Auriga Security. Right now, every year, there are billions of personal records lost and millions of dollars lost due to cyber attacks. And as of now, in every 37 seconds, a hacker is compromising your system, believe it or not. And even with all of the defensive hardware and software in place today, we're still not able to compensate with all these attacks. And the cat and mouse game between hackers and security professionals still goes on right now. It's a game where speed matters, and we are losing the battle. The reason why we're losing a battle is because of information overload. In order for us to see the whole picture, we need to be able to collect a lot of data from a lot of different devices and pump it into an analytical platform to perform analysis on it. And so, for a single platform to do collection and analysis jobs, it's just way too much for it to handle. On top of that, in order for us to find the right digital fingerprint of a hacker, we need to be able to sift through the haystack of data. This has been a common problem for security professionals even now, as of today. So, we created ParseMe. It was first created when we actually ran into this issue ourselves, trying to consume a large amount of data and wasn't able to compensate with it. So with ParseMe, we were able to collect all the data into our system and actually sift it through and get the right data to the analyst at the time that it needs it. Now, the second problem we are trying to tackle is actually trying to find the data to extract. Now, this is a sample of a log file. And I'm pretty sure you can't tell what's going on over here. This is someone trying to log into your mail server. And if we are trying to just locate the email address that somebody's trying to get access to, it's kind of tough, okay? And in order to do that, we rely on something called regular expression. This is the sample of regular expression that we have to write in order to extract the data from the log sample that I just showed you. Kind of difficult, right? Now think about it. Your security professionals and your analysts have to deal with this on a daily basis. So within ParseMe, we actually created an advanced data normalizer that's based on AI model that can actually allow the users to tag the data that they need, extract the data that they want, and send it out to the analytical platform that they used to, without even writing a single line of code. So, ParseMe is doing all the heavy lifting for you, from data collection all the way to the normalization process, from filtering to the last part of the storage. And all the data is actually being kept in our secure storage system, so it's tamper-free from the possible hacking attempts. And finally, we give you the data at the time you need it, when you need it. Now, efficiency and effectiveness is very critical in terms of data analysis. And how we stack up to our competition is just mind-blowing. Give you an example. When we try to collect data, our competitor collects at about 8,000 to 12,000 events per second. And we can do it at the 5 times the speed, at 60,000 events per second on the same hardware platform that they are using. And on storage, if we were to store 3 terabytes of data, which is the average size of the data that everyone else stores for about 90 days, competition will use up to 270 terabytes of data storage for them, and we only need 20 terabytes thanks to our advanced compression algorithm. Last but not least, getting the data to you in time is the critical factor. To process through 50 gig of data, competition would take somewhere around 360 minutes to finish processing it, where we only require 20 minutes and we're done with it. So our business model is rather simple. Aside from the sales of our product, we also provide professional service to our customers to give them additional insights to their data through visualization and other analytical means possible. And right now, our clients are actually finding even more creative ways to use our system. ParseMe right now, for some of our clients, can not only collect security data, they can actually collect IoT and OT equipment data right into our system and get the data that they want. And this is the reason why within the 6 months that we launched ParseMe, we have already gained some of the leading companies' recognition here in Taiwan, all the way from leading telecommunication company to one of the big 4 accounting firm here in Taiwan right now, crunching through terabytes of data for them, giving them the insight that they need and the power to expect the unexpected. And we don't end there. We are right now expanding our market globally at the moment with Korea, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Macau. And we're right now estimating by the end of 2020, we'll have over 300 nodes of sales with over $8 million in revenue. Our team members are security professionals at heart, and we are from companies both local and globally recognized. And not only that, we regularly contribute to global security communities such as Open Web Application Security Project, Cloud Security Alliance, and also to security communities over here in Taiwan as well. With ParseMe's creation, this is only the first step of approaching to our final goal. We want to provide a hacker-free world and protect everyone from possible attacks. ParseMe, protecting the enterprises through precision analytics, assuring cyber resilience through innovation. Thank you.